Everyone, so I'm back for another one. Um, alright, so I've got 6 different colors doing alcohol again. So I got a yellow, I got a pink, copper, the off-white, metallic blue, and then my own blend of aqua green. This is transparent. Yeah, that's the only transparent. So at least put a little bit on the bottom there. And a little bit of yellow, a little bit of this. Normally I don't do the green, but I was kind of feeling it today. Wanted to have a different color. This is a 9 by 12. I realized after I started making paint that I had quite a bit made up between the 6 different colors. So, like, yeah, we'll see how many I can get out. I know I've got enough for at least one more. I don't know if that's showing up on camera right now. The cup's over there, but they're quite full. Pretty sure I can do 2 more with the paint I have. So it's gonna be a fun hour or so. Still trying to figure out why my torch hasn't been really doing anything with this. Yeah, it has me puzzled. I think how I'm gonna pour this is I've been doing flip cups the last couple times, but I'm gonna forego that because this is a bigger piece. I want to make sure I get a decent amount of it all over. So it's pretty close to the brim. So yeah, I'm just gonna do direct. Liking the colors. Yeah, really liking this. Let's get the palette knife and see if we can get that flowing a little nicer. This edge doesn't have like anything on it. Well, oh, and of course, forget my paper towel like I always do. And I don't know how paint got on that end. Okay. Hopefully this doesn't wake up the sleeping child. Still not sure why the torch is not doing anything. Back to the torch not doing anything. It's so weird. Oops, dang it. Yeah, I'm not really sure I understand. Although I have to say I was not as careful with the ingredients. I over poured my Floetrol in one of the cups, and I went with more like about 4.5, 5 to 1 ratio on my Floetrol to paint, so maybe that has something to do with it. I'm not sure. The colors, though, I think they really work. Yes, I do. I think they really, really work. I got these two, got the blue metallic and the copper, and it really sparkles like glitter. So, yeah, I am not displeased with how this truck turned out, no matter that I'm not getting quite as much cell action. You can tell the only stuff that's really producing any cells is the copper. I imagine that's going to be the same throughout the rest of my pours, but I guess we'll go up and see. But yeah, I don't know. I'm curious on how it took shape. With just adding a little bit of the heat. So I'll have to go back to the video and check it out. But okay, this is going to be it for this video, and thank you for watching.